Hey guys, this is how to skip a line in Google Spreadsheet. So first, just simply go to your Google Spreadsheet and just simply select a block. And from here, as you can see, just simply provide your text. Let's say I'm gonna go for this is the March, and in order for you to skip a block, just simply tap on your keyboard, Alt and Enter, and do it again, Alt and Enter. And after that, just simply provide your text. So I'm gonna go for this is the April, and the keywords will be Alt Enter, and from here, just simply provide another one, and from there, once you are done, just simply tap on Enter. And after that, you should be able to skip a line in Google Spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below and I'll make sure to answer them all. And thanks for watching. See ya.